In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a received payment that has been deposited in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself in the predicament of needing to remove a payment that's already been accounted for, you know how tricky it can seem, but don't worry, we'll walk through this together step by step. To start, you'll need to access your QuickBooks Online account. For this, head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, and if you haven't done so already, click on Sign In. Once you're at the home page, you'll need to type in your credentials, which are your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Click Continue to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, your next target is the Sales tab. You can find this in the left-hand menu. It's time to find the customer with the payment you need to delete. Simply click on Customers, which is a subheading under the Sales tab. In the Customers section, look for the specific customer profile involved in the transaction you want to delete. Once there, you need to navigate through their records and select the transaction. It's important here to pay attention to the status of the transaction. You'll want to select one with a closed status, as that usually represents a completed process. After selecting the closed transaction, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down, and from the available options, select Delete. Now, this next part is crucial. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. QuickBooks wants to ensure you're absolutely certain about this deletion, as it's a significant change to your accounting records. Therefore, click on Delete once more to confirm that you indeed want this transaction removed. And there you have it, your selected payment has been successfully deleted. You've effectively removed the entry without disrupting your other financial data in QuickBooks Online. Remember, conducting these steps with caution is important, as each transaction forms a part of your financial story, and its removal should be a well-considered decision. Thank you for following along. Deleting a payment might seem daunting at first, but with these steps you have a clear path to managing your records effectively. Feel free to review any part of this video if needed, or ask questions about QuickBooks Online. Until next time, keep those accounts clean and clear.